traders, we're looking at the DXY. I uploaded a video earlier, however there was some errors in the video, so I have removed it. This is range bound at the moment, more or less, on the higher time frame. You know, we're not seeing a nice clean trend like that, although we do have a mini version on the 4 hour. In any case, we want to glean some information out of this chart and come up with a bit of a trading plan. So looking at this section here, if we go down, we'll see that it's trading into a key weekly level here. We do have a break of structure, bullish. However, if we pick up a Fibonacci, I'm always looking at the Fib retrace back down into a discounted zone. If this is going to trade bullish, now we do have relative equal lows. We have taken out liquidity under. It has rallied from this point considerably, and now we've got this pullback back down in to retest. We get the higher low and this rally, right? So now looking at this, I'm considering, as I mentioned, that this retraces, given that it's trading into a big resistance level. So let's have a look at it on the daily. And again, I mean, we can see how we have this break of market structure. Well, we've got a break. Well, these highs here got taken out. This on the lower time frame, you'll see on the 4H, that's been taken out. So we're seeing higher highs, higher lows. This is the daily. And of course, the daily and weekly nested distribution level here. This is what we're trading into. That's why we're seeing this ranging price action. So the question is, where to next? Well, I mean, honestly, it could trade in either direction. And if we go down to the 4H, we'll get a bit closer to it, give you my take on this. I really think that, yeah, possibly, if we pull a Fibonacci, yeah, you see we've actually traded back down. We've got the move into the 61.8. That's on a 4 hour time frame. So it is kind of looking fairly bullish at this point. But then again, when we look at this section here, we are currently range bound, more or less. And really what I want to see is this range taken out. Right, so let's just pick up a pencil. I mean, this is really dicey trading through this at the moment, and this is impacting the currency markets. So either we get that or that. So we've got data coming out later today, high impact events that will impact the US dollar. And the other thing is we're trading into Thursday and Friday. Quite often you'll find that on these days towards the end of the week, the banks, smart money, whoever they are, will hunt stops to gear up for the coming week. Right now, if they are planning to take this north and they do manipulate the markets, they know where this is going, they set it up. If they're going to be trading north, I would think, see, they've already actually dipped in, but Thursday, Friday, it wouldn't surprise me they hit stops, and then Monday, Tuesday, we get the trend. Think of it like this. Well, here's a weekly candle. Come Thursday, Friday, let's say it's a bullish candle. Friday, you'll see this. Friday, maybe Monday, it'll open and trade down, take out stops, and then we get a bullish candle for the week. Towards the end of the week, okay, you get the reverse. So that's what I'm looking at the moment. So while this is range bound like this at the moment, there's no opportunities. You will catch some scalps, but you want to be really careful in the markets. Thursday and Friday, they're not the best trading days. All right, so I think to wrap up the video, wait for a clear signal. Okay, break, retest and fail north, or a break, retest and fail south. But you really want to see on the lower time frame, you want to see higher highs, higher lows setting up, or, you know, it's a trend. You want to see lower highs, lower lows. Okay, so either way, it's going to break, and hopefully next week we get some clear direction and some opportunity while this is trending. So I think that more or less wraps it up, guys. Just be really careful at the moment. This This is not an easy trading environment. Okay, finally, an invite to test out our VIP signals for a month. Head to the website tradingwithanthony.com, and if you go over here, this won't cost you anything. You click this subscribe button. It's a PayPal thing. It won't charge you, and it gives you 30 days. And for whatever reason, if you find out that this is not for you, you can cancel at any time. But this will give you a 30-day free trial, and I think you should check it out and see what's possible. All right, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next video.